Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed, and in this video I'm going to show you my first impression for the Samsung Galaxy M31. Price for this one is just $218 and it's available in UAE AED just $799. So what we are getting in 799 dirham. On the top we have a quick guide box and then M31. In the bottom we have a Type-C cable, basic headphones and the charger. Now we will start little deep review with display. It's coming with 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 420 nits and the resolution we are getting 1080 by 2340 pixel. So the display is amazing. Now we will talk about the battery, which is the main thing about this device. It's coming with a super 6000 mAh battery. So even if you are a sort of heavy user, I don't think so you can kill this one in one day. You can use this phone easily for 2 days with one charge. And this thing is very important for so many people in these days, especially when your job is dependent on the phone. For example, for the delivery boys and the Uber captains. Or even if you are going out for picnic, you need a phone like this. This is all about the battery. Now we will talk about the performance. The phone is powered by Exynos 9611 octa-core and it's coming with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage and it's dual SIM. Now move on to cameras. The main camera we are getting 64 megapixel. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And for the video recording you are getting a 4K video recording with 30 frames per second. Selfie camera you are getting 32 megapixel and for the front also you are getting 4K video with 30 frames per second. So guys, if you are looking for the best mid-range phone available in market, so I will prefer you just in 799 you will get the best combination of 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, 64 megapixel camera and 6000 mAh battery. That's all for today friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.